Okay, hello everyone. Here is the short presentation of the FastBenchmark project. First, let's visit its site. So now we are at fastbenchmark.me. Um, Here we can find some information about the project. Basically, it's a Telegram bot which is very useful because you can use it from any platform where you can install Python and Telegram. You will have to send your data structure, only the structure, not data itself, and you will get that beautiful report, the explanation of the data and prediction models for your target variable. And this Make Data Science Fun Again is not just a slogan, but the mission of the FastBenchmark project. Its goal is to do all routine work for you and let you dive into the ocean of feature engineering, ML models development, and get the insights from the data. Okay, now let's try it. First we should run the Telegram bot. So let's click on the link and we are here. So let's push start command to start. Here is the information about what we need to prepare to start working. So we need to install Python, and if you are using Windows, you need to add Python to path variable and also install building tools. And as you installed all of that, you need to install all libraries here. Just copy and paste it to your command prompt. I have all these libraries installed, so it's very fast, but for you it could take some time. Okay, let's clean. And now you are ready, so push ready command. And we have this make JSON file. It will help us to make a structure of our CSV. You can form it manually, but with this file it will be much easier. So let's look at this file. Okay. So as you can see, there is nothing criminal here. Let's look imports, nothing special. Um, it will only analyze your file structure and form a JSON with that structure. Now you can use it to form structures and send it to the bot without using any commands. So you don't need to download it again, and you don't need to push start commands or something again. Um, you can use this one every time. Okay, so let's try. We need some data to analyze, and I will take this insurance data set from Kaggle. Let's download it. Okay, and put it here. Okay, and let's actually assume that you are a data scientist in the in insurance company and you have a data set like this one. So what can you grab from the data? For example, you can maybe want to improve your tariffication, so your target variable will be these charges. So let's make a structure of this insurance file in terms of structure as a target variable. So to do that, we need to copy and paste this to the command prompt, and for CSV location is just insurance.csv because it is in the same path. And for target variable it is charges. Okay, let's form it and we are done. So maybe we want something else. Maybe you want to improve your fraud detection system, and for example the insurance policy for smokers cost more than policy for non-smokers, and you want to detect which of your clients you should check for fraud, because if they said that they are non-smokers but they smoke, it's a sort of fraud. So let's form the structure for a smoker as a target. Just change these charges for smoker. Okay, and maybe you want to understand whom of your clients are likely to have children. So you could offer insurance policy for children to those clients. So here is that children column. So let's form the structure for children as a target. Okay. And let's look at these JSONs first. This one, for example, you see here is no data, just the data structure, nothing else. Yeah, so, and this is the only thing you will send to the bot. Okay, let's send it and get the reports. Open the bot and drag and drop these structures here. Got prediction, copy structure, got prediction, and for smokers the same again, and they got this prediction again. So please don't forget to fill the survey, because it is very important for me, and will take only a few minutes from you. Okay, so here are our reports, and as let's take a look. As we have installed all those libraries, there is a Jupyter Lab here, so you now have it and you can use it. So let's start it here. Just type Jupyter Lab, or maybe Python digitizer lab. Okay, so here we are, and now we will run all of those reports and inspect it. So open, restart, open, restart, open, restart. Okay, so let's look at this report for smokers. Here you can see this data structure and some relationships. So here is a lot of different statistics and histograms here, and we can now do some feature engineering using that information. Maybe we can build different models and assembling it and so on. So you can right now start your data science work. The all routine is already done by FastBenchmark. So let's now look at the prediction here. It should be on the bottom, yes, here. So we have a binary logistic because our target variable is binary. So let's look at the score. Okay, the score is very good. So as you can see on the plot here, so those who were predicted as smokers are really smokers, and those who not are not. And here is the unrounded prediction, so we can say it's a probability, and you can see those three guys here on the top. Those are the guys which are likely to be smokers, so it is a reason to check them. Okay, so now let's look at the charges report. So here again all those statistics and plots which will help us with feature engineering in future. And let's look at the prediction here. Okay, so what we have a pretty good score actually, and on the chart you can see that they are somehow close to the real values. So after the work on feature engineering and modeling, we can make a much better model, I think, and improve our tariffication using that model, and improve it dramatically, I think, because that's a very good prediction. And what else you can do is you can look at feature importance, and you see here the most important features are BMI and age, and I think that you could tell the approximate price of the policy by only those two features. So if you are using the segmentation for your clients, you need to ask them only those two things. Okay, so now let's look at the reports for children. So here, let's go to the prediction. Okay, I see this warning here because two categories, which are 4 and 5, are too rare, so we can't predict it normally, and for other categories it's also not very good score. But as you can see we can predict pretty good if someone have children or not. So let's try to rebuild our model here to predict that. Okay, so what we have to do is to put all our target users which have children to the category 1, and the same we should do for all our test target. Okay, so let's just rebuild this model. Oh, sorry, that's not a good idea because we have too much classes here. So let's make it not multi-smart but binary logistic. We don't need to give this num class here because it's binary and the error will be just error. Okay, so let's look at this, how we have those feature importance, and what we have else. We have a much better score here. Let's just plot the probability instead of the categories itself, so we need just change this and this and start, and as you see we have a really good prediction for those who have or don't have children. So we can see that we can find those people and we can offer them the insurance for children. So now you know how to use FastBenchmark. It will do all the routine work for you and you will be able to concentrate on your data science work and do it better and faster. So keep calm and make data science fun again. Thank you and bye bye.